Yeah, just to let you know, we're with this male now.
Between 12 and 11. So it's up. Anti-clockwise is busy from 16 to 11, beg your pardon, at Chertsey. And then just the Dartford tunnel. It's been heavy from the A2. Central London or West London, the A4 Piccadilly eastbound, still closed with this incident between Hyde Park Corner and St James's Street. So that's having an effect if you're trying to get through central London. And finally to Cornwall, the A393 at Lanner Hill. We've got Lanner Hill blocked completely. There's an accident just into Lanner Green, so affecting you between Redruth and Penryn.
We look forward to that. Thank you very much. And the official dental advice today is
on camera.
Feel guilty about flossing.
It's on camera.
They say finally, after about 30 years of flossing advice, it no longer gives you any proven medical benefits. So we
dirty fucking bastard. That's a disgrace what you've just done. That's disgusting. Throwing that out like that. That's revolting what you've just done back there. Throwing that cup out. It's not nice. You're a disgrace.
What a prick. What are you doing? What are you doing? You was in the lane. Exactly, to go left. You didn't turn left. Twat.
She's, you know, I mean, I suppose she is, you know, she's 61. Oh, that mine's just got knocked over. What? Why did he get knocked over? He just got hit by a car. Can't have been good. Very fast, but they can't run away.
He's not run away. He's not run away. He's fully.
Sophie's her father just died.
Yeah.
So I think she's feeling quite.
It was the green light.
We need to get that's the girl. Sophie, that person there. So, yeah,
You got my back?
Is she coming here?
what?
Otherwise, is she coming?
Yeah,
otherwise,
she's coming. She's coming.
Otherwise, you're gonna struck
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Because road will be closed.
Yeah, I think she's.
Basically here to help people as much as they need help and to support the supporters.
We get an example of that family. Absolutely. I'm very excited. Well, there was some.
his first performance, but I think that's good for the women's game. It's much the critical